Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I figured why not show you what's in my travel makeup bag. Since I'm actually in a hotel right now, might as well. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I figured I have like my stuff next to me and I'm just gonna like start pulling stuff at random. So first thing I brought with me is my Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. It's just got like these shades. So yeah, I brought that with me. And then the other palette I brought with me is my Tarte Pro To Go palette. Woo! I'm blinding you. Just has those shades. And then actually no, I brought two more palettes with me. The other palette I brought with me is my Too Faced Semi Sweet Chocolate Bar palette. And then the last palette I brought with me is The Balm Meet Matrimony palette. Okay, for setting spray I brought my NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. For lipsticks I brought the Tarte Lip Paint in Birthday Suit. And then I also brought the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gemini. And then I also brought chapstick. For concealer, I brought my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. I brought my IT Cosmetics powder. For foundation, I brought both of my foundations. I brought the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation, and I wear the shade Sand. And I also brought my IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus foundation in the shade Tan. And then I also brought my eyelash curler sponges. Those aren't really makeup, but they're makeup related. I brought the Wet n Wild gel lip liner in the shade Bare to Commit. I brought a liquid liner. I brought a waterproof mascara and my Too Faced Better Than Sex. For blush, I brought my little Tarte Amazonian Clay blush. This is in the shade Party. And then for highlight, I brought my e.l.f. highlight in Moonlight Pearls. For primer, I brought my Merced Beauty one. For brows, I brought my NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. And then for eyeshadow primer, I brought my NYX Proof Fit Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. And then, I don't know if I should show you my brushes. Oh, well, I'm going to show you my brushes. I just brought my e.l.f. powder brush, my So Miss Glam powder brush, fan brush, my contour brush, another powder brush, my e.l.f. contour brush, and then I have my, I don't know what brand this is, Bamboo Naturals. I got 2 Bamboo Natural brushes, 3 e.l.f. eye brushes, Morphe brush, and then an So Miss Glam one. And then for my makeup bag, I'm just using this makeup bag. It's got like room for my brushes, so I don't even know how I was able to fit everything in here, but it's just from Macy's. So yeah, that's everything I have in my makeup bag, and now the floor is a mess. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was just a quick video because I really wanted to film something and I figured I had the chance to, so might as well. Excuse the TV in the background. I was watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. And I'm trying not to talk too loud because hotel walls are thin. But yeah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Thumbs up this video. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!